In Excel, you can use the hyperlink function to create a link that will take you to a website or another place in the same workbook or open another file. In this example, first we'll look at how to go to a different place in this same workbook. So I've got a few sheets in here, and I'm right now on exercise 1 sheet, and I'd like to go to exercise 2. So I've put the sheet name here. I'm not indicating the cell for this example. I've put the friendly name that I would like to see in the hyperlink here. In this cell, I've created the hyperlink formula. Because I'm going to a location in this same workbook, I start with a pound sign. Then I use the address function to create the link within this workbook. So it's going to create a sheet name and cell address from the information in the address function. If I highlight that and press the F9 key, you can see that it's going to take me to X02 sheet, cell A1. So that's what the address function is doing there. And the friendly name then is from cell D3. So this link, if I click it, you'll see the pop-up here. It will take me to that sheet with cell A1 selected. So going back, I can also create the address just by using the ampersand. So joining the pound sign and a couple of single quotes and the sheet name and the cell that I've typed in another cell here. So I can create the link location in several different ways. If you want to go to a cell that is a named range, you can use the pound sign and then just link to that. This cell has the name of the range and it'll create the link location from that. So if I click on it, it's going to go to the range named heading, which is right here. You can see in the name box that that cell is named heading. On this sheet, we're going to look at different ways to link to an Excel file that's in the same folder path. So if there's a file in exactly the same folder as this one, I can just use its file name as the location. And here's the friendly name. So in this cell, you can see the hyperlink. The location is just the file name, and the friendly name is what's in cell D3. So when I click on that, it's going to open up that file and just on the last sheet that I had active. You can also refer to files that are in the same path, but maybe up a level or up 3 levels by using 2 dots and a backslash for each level. And in this third example, we're just linking to something on the internet. So I've put a friendly name here, and then in the hyperlink formula, I've put the beginning part of the address, then the name and the .com. So that creates the string for the link location, and then B3 is just the friendly name that I want. So that will open the website for Contextures, and created that with a formula in Excel.